Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ranjit K. Alphonse, licensed counselor psychologist. Today I am going to discuss with you about the role of communication in the interpersonal relationships. In this video, I will be talking to you about the importance of communication, the understanding of body language, the important aspects of disclosure, the conflict management, why relationships come to an end, four breaker factors, and three simple steps to improve communications. We love connecting with other people because it makes us happy. It is the encounter with other people that make our life worth living. Communication undoubtedly plays a foundational role in the development of any healthy relationship, and it often serves to bridge the gap between people with misunderstandings or to solidify mutual sense of commitment. Indeed, communication plays a critical role in all phases of interpersonal relations, from the incipience to maintenance. All relationships have ups and downs, but a healthy communication style can make it easier to deal with conflict and build a stronger and healthier partnership. Communication allows you to explain to someone else what you are experiencing and what your needs are. The act of communicating not only helps to meet your needs, but it also helps you to be connected in your relationship. When we communicate, we can say a lot without speaking. Our body posture, the tone of the voice, the expression on your face all convey a message. These non-verbal means of communicating can tell the other person how we feel about them. Notice whether your body language reflects what you are saying. Listening is very important aspect of effective communication. A good listener can encourage your partner to talk openly and honestly to enhance a daily healthy relationship. People don't share their deepest and innermost desire with just anyone. They choose very carefully to whom they would like to share the innermost thoughts with. Relationship develops over time, exchanges between individuals move from shallower level to the most intimate level. Self-disclosure may be an important element in the formation as well as maintenance of relationships. Women disclose to more than men that women tend to share more things with other women. Self-disclosure not only strengthens the relationship, but also it benefits the individual for doing the sharing. This suggests that communication and self-disclosure may strengthen the individual in a relationship as well as the strength of the bond between one another. It creates a shared meaning, integrating fondness, admiration builds trust, commitment makes dream come true, turning towards one another, etc. Another aspect of communication is conflict management. How individual responds to conflict is very important. It depends on the willingness to deal constructively with conflict and to communicate openly, to accommodate one another, to maintain relationship positively. Let's now explore why relationship comes to an end. The greatest problem with communication is we don't listen to understand, but we listen to respond. A relationship loses its charm if individuals do not express or reciprocate their feelings through various modes of communication. Common causes of breakups include personality differences, lack of time spent together, infidelity, lack of positive interaction between the couple, low sexual satisfactions, misdirected anger, stagnating, avoiding, and low relationship satisfaction. Ineffective communication causes conflict, defensiveness, and worsens the relationships. Reaction to ineffective communication include three F's: fight, flight, and freeze. Usually, relationship comes to an end by four factors. The first one, criticism. You criticize the innate personality of the person rather than the idea, attributing total negativity, a statement that attacks the character of a person. The second, contempt, treating the other with disrespect or mocking sarcasm, insulting the partner totally. The third, defensiveness. You defend yourself by blaming others to hide your fault. In other words, deflecting blame onto others in an attempt to conceal guilt or complicity. The fourth, stonewalling, withdrawing a conversation by refusing to acknowledge the other person. The listener shuts down and refuses to communicate with the partner. These are the four reasons by which the relationship comes to an end. Therefore, my dear friends, let's now look into three simple steps to improve our communication. Like painting or singing, communication in relationship is like a skill that requires practice. If you would like to improve your communication in your relationship, remember the following three important steps. Firstly, unhealthy communication starts with the negative thoughts. Words are only a result of those thoughts. So be mindful of what's going on in your mind. Secondly, be aware of your inner lens, which is responsible for how you decode your message. Thirdly, listening is better skill to practice than talking. Try listen without thinking of what to say the next, and try not to judge what you hear. You will see relationship improve with these three simple steps. Why? Because good communication is a sign of appreciation. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.